Hey guys, Redman Forging. First of all, I want to go ahead and get out of the way. I apologize for the lighting in this video. I don't know what my camera was doing. It's about time to upgrade. But this is a bushcrafting knife I'm making for a family member. Right here, I'm just pretty much grinding out the profile of the knife I'm going with on this video. This is a leaf spring, an old rusty leaf spring I found at the junkyard. Right here, I basically just painted the profile out again, that way it'd be more present when I'm grinding. Right here I'm using my 1x30 belt sander that I picked up at Harbor Freight. It's not the giant belt sander you see on most channels, but hey, it gets the job done. I've used this belt sander on pretty much all my knife builds. I've been doing it, I've been knife building for about 5 months now. And if you go watch my first video to now, I think I've come a long way, and I had the Lord to thank for that. He gave me all the ability I needed to be able to make a good looking knife. Right here I'm just sanding what will be the blade of the knife flat, that way it's straight. Right here I'm going to use everything from 220 to 1200 grit sandpaper to smooth out the edges, to get all those rusty pits out, and that will leave me nothing but nice clean metal. And I want to say this, guys, before any knife build that I do, I take and heat the metal up red hot, and then I let it air cool. And what that does is, if you take your fist and you open up, and where you have all your 5 fingers, that's exactly what the fibers in the metals do. They open up. And that's when you want to perform all your sanding, your hole drilling. That's when you want to bevel the knife, and anything cutting, beveling, hole drilling, you want to do it when those fibers are opened up. And when you get done doing all those steps to the knife, that's when you see a lot of guys heat the knife back up, and then they dip it in oil or dip it in water, and that's called quenching. And what that does is, that takes your open hand, and then if you make a fist real quick, it brings them, all those fibers together, and makes it hard. And so you don't want it too hard, because if you drop it, it'll just shatter like glass. And so you want to stick it into an oven for about 2 hours at 350 to 375 degrees, and that kind of slowly opens those fibers up just a little bit, to where the knife won't be so brittle. But what this does for the knife is, it makes the knife to where it can hold a good edge. And when you have a knife that's soft, made out of soft metal, it doesn't stay sharp as long. And so if you have a knife that stays sharp forever, it was annealed, and it was, somebody knew exactly what they were doing when they were making that knife. And you know, when you see knives that are $200, $300, $400, $500, you about guarantee those knives were made by a knife maker who had plenty of years of experience. But getting back to the knife, guys, Right here I'm just using 1200 grit to sand down the sanded bevel to give it a smooth, light mirror finish. Guys, if you like my videos or you find yourself coming back to watch my videos, do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel, like the videos. I would not be mad at you, I promise. Right here, guys, I'm just putting in the brass pin that's going to be holding on the handle of the knife. And what you want to do there is you want to mushroom out with a hammer, a ball peen hammer, each side of those pins, and that's what holds that wood on the knife. Right here I'm just sanding the wood to fit the profile of the knife, and I'm going to smooth down those edges, that way it feels good and it's smooth in the hand. And hopefully when the individual who gets it, hopefully it'll fit his hand real good, and I do hope he likes it. And in case anybody's wondering, that is ironwood for the handle. But guys, this was kind of a short video, and I really enjoyed having you. I really enjoyed talking to you. Any questions or you want to see something on the channel, don't hesitate to comment below. Like, share, subscribe. Redman Forging out.